Top 10 best foods for your eye health. Number 1 is fish, isda. It has rich source of omega-3 fatty acids and it can also reverse dryness of the eye. Number 2 is nuts and legumes. And number 3 is seeds, or to be specific, ang chia seeds. Kaning duwa ka buok, they are rich in vitamin E at the same time na po sila yung omega-3 fatty acids. It can help us pag mag-consume ta ani nga i-protect ang atong mata from age-related damages. Number 4 is citrus fruits. It has vitamin C and E. So, mas grabe, mas naproteksyonan atong mata ana because it also has vitamin C. Number 5 and number 6 is green leafy vegetables and eggs. Naat ni siya lutein and zeaxanthin. Kani si lutein and zeaxanthin, makatabang ni siya og nourishment sa tissue sa atong mata at the same time ang structure sa atong mata. Tapos, ang natong number 7 o 8, which is ang pinaka-common sa tanan, is ato ang carrots and ang ato ang sweet potatoes. Trivia lang, sweet potatoes mas rich og vitamin A. Dako ni sila role for our processing sa vision, sharpening focus because ang vitamin A nato muna siya ang nag-garner siya ato ang retina. Number 9, beef. Kaning beef is rich in zinc ug makatabang ni siya to delay the progression of age-related damages such as cataract and age-related macular degeneration or ARMD. Number 10, which dili na to gi-expect, is water. I know dili ni siya food, pero gi-part na to ni siya sa list. It's because dapat i-consume nato ni siya every day para dili mag-dehydrate ang ato ang mata, dili mag-dry eye, at the same time, well-nourished ato ang body. Okay, every day, we always need water. That's all. God bless.